In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to help you write a book. We'll start by planning your book idea. Before you write a single page, ask ChatGPT to brainstorm book concepts and themes that match your genre, audience, and tone. Give it a few guideposts, perhaps the era, the mood, and the big question your story explores, then iterate until an idea excites you. Next, deepen the foundation by developing characters, settings, and storylines. Request brief bios with goals, flaws, and secrets, plus vivid locations and cultural details that can drive conflict. When you're ready, create a chapter-by-chapter outline. Have ChatGPT propose acts, turning points, and cliffhangers. Then refine the order and pacing until you have a clear map. A simple starter you can use is create a detailed outline for a 20-chapter fantasy novel about a young hero discovering magical powers. Keep this outline as a living document you update as the story evolves, so your ideas stay organized and consistent. With a plan in place, move on to writing chapters faster. Ask ChatGPT to generate first drafts for chapters and scenes, specifying point of view, tense, and approximate length. It can help craft dialogue, descriptions, and plot developments that match your outline. If you hit writer's block, request fresh angles, sensory details, or 3 alternate scene approaches. You can also expand short sections into more detailed content by pasting a paragraph and asking for a fuller, scene-level version. For example, write Chapter 1 of a mystery novel introducing the main character and central conflict. After drafting, focus on improving and editing your manuscript. Paste sections and ask for rewrites to strengthen clarity and flow or to enhance character development and pacing. Have it check grammar, tone, and consistency, and ask for a brief rationale so you understand the changes. You can even explore alternative endings or plot twists and test how they affect earlier chapters. Try. Review this chapter and suggest improvements for pacing, dialogue, and character development. Finally, prepare your book for publishing. Use ChatGPT to generate book titles, subtitles, and compelling back cover descriptions. Brainstorm marketing ideas and promotional content. Write author bios and succinct book summaries, and sketch launch and publishing strategies with timelines and tasks. A helpful prompt is, create 10 book title ideas and a compelling back cover description for my science fiction novel. Throughout, treat ChatGPT as a creative partner, not a final authority. Keep your voice central, revise thoughtfully, and build the book you've always wanted to write.